Hello traders, this is Mukris again from Dynamic, bringing to you global market report for the coming weeks and what development has been uh, the surface for the past week. And before we start our reports on the market, we need to highlight here the disclaimer on the presentations for this one. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell a security. All information is intended for educational purposes only and not as an investment advice. And you should seek a professional investment advice from a licensed investment advisor. Okay, let us we start with the S&P 500 and how the market has behaved for the past week. It clearly shows us that the market is finding some support around this level. That is about 2 at 60 or 2 at 70 around the level. And the market bounced, but over only for a few days, and then after that, it provides some gap down. But again, the market regained some bullish sentiment towards the end of the market session last Friday. But again, this development may change throughout next week as there's a new development from the Middle East with regards to the OPEC meeting with Saudi. We will discuss about that later on towards the end of this presentation. But hopefully the market can recover only if the market are able to breach this peak, the previous week peak, will provide us some confidence for the market to go upwards. But again, the support around this level may be in jeopardy with the development of the new um, new development from the Middle East. Market is still in great fear, as indicated by the CNN. Again, still with the coronavirus thing. In Italy, there is a new development whereby a quarter of the population has been quarantined by the government, and there is another news surfacing from the United States last Friday. And there has been a number of confirmed cases in the US across the states, and there are 70 new states reporting last Friday. And it seems that with the coronavirus fear, biotech stocks are gaining some momentum. Uh, it is being led by Regeneron Pharmaceuticals Incorporation, whereby it seems that it shows some resilience in the current market fear of situation at the moment. It has break the peak of this level on February of last year, and it continues to move upward towards the 494 towards nearly $500 figure level. Another biotech stocks that is also moving following the direction of RGN or Regeneron Pharmaceuticals is Eli Lilly and Company. It is bounced from the week last week, sorry, last week low, and then bounced from this level, and is now gaining some momentum towards the 148 level, and this could provide some good news with LLLA. Another stocks is Novo Nordisk. Is also provide us some support around this level, and the market finds some support. Sorry, the stocks find some support, and then it goes up towards the previous peak met earlier in February, but only if the not able to reach this level, we can to consider some buying. The moment, as I mentioned, the market is still not yet in a stable condition, so need to take cautious in the market. Okay, this is what has been developed throughout the weekend. Bloomberg reported that Saudis is planning a big oil output, and this could be a price war. This is due to the unsuccessful meeting OPEC with the alliance Saudi with Russia, and this could influence the market conditions next week, and it might be that several energy company will be affected with this kind of news development. Okay, and as you can see from the oil chart here, US oil chart, daily chart, seems that the oil now break the low of previous low, and it didn't show us that the chart oil market will be going up anytime soon. We will only be able to see what happened next week, and from there we can do some assessment on the oil market. And this oil market is part of the commodity markets, and it may affect the stock market as well. But it is not a good news for the energy company that is reliant on the oil. It is anticipated with this current development, oil may again fall below $40, but we'll see what happens next week again. Okay, that's all, guys, for this week market review and overview. Review and overview for next week. So again, you need to be very careful on the current market development. I suggest no additional buying at the moment unless you have an advanced list, except for what I've shared just now on the biotech stocks. But again, you need to do some fundamental analysis on the three companies that I shared. And again, continuously and cautiously assess the market. Okay, that's all for today, and I shall be sharing with you with any updates by next week. Thank you.